Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax return for rental income. We'll cover the essential steps to ensure you report your earnings correctly and take advantage of all eligible deductions. Understanding these basics can simplify your tax season significantly, helping you avoid common pitfalls and maximize your financial benefits. Let's dive into the specifics of what you need to know. When reporting your rental income, the primary form you'll use is Schedule E, Supplemental Income and Loss, which attaches to your Form 1040. It's important to include all rent received, even if it's an advance payment for a future period. However, security deposits are generally not considered income unless they are forfeited by the tenant, so keep that distinction clear. One of the biggest advantages of being a landlord is the ability to deduct various expenses. You can deduct ordinary and necessary costs such as repairs, advertising, and utilities. Don't forget to claim depreciation on your property and any improvements, which can significantly reduce your taxable income. Also, remember to include mortgage interest, property taxes, and insurance premiums. Remember, accurate record keeping is crucial for any landlord, so keep all your documents organized for at least 3 years. If your situation is complex, consider consulting a tax professional for personalized advice. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals. Filing your rental income taxes doesn't have to be overwhelming with the right approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.